Okay, so today we're gonna be throwing a little bit of chatterbait. Just to get this off the rod tip. Just a quick couple of spins. Drop it down. Stand my butt up. Get it off the tail quick. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be throwing. At least for right now. Just along the lilies. Because I will sit in these to ambush food, other fish. So that's the goal right now. I'm just doing a slow retrieve right now. I hear a couple of them jumping. One just jumped out in the middle. Good sign. They're awake today. The one we caught yesterday was a 15-pound snakehead. Took us about an hour and a half to catch that one, and then the rest of the time, that's like 2 hours after that, I caught a nice 3-4 pound bass. And that was about it for the rest of it. Just lost my footing for a second. Just swimming this bait through all the lilies. Hoping something will snag it. It's a good cast. Oh, thought I had something. Something's like dragging it. I probably had some. Yeah, I had some grass. Like something was dragging it to the side. One more, just in case. Around the lily pads, I swear. Okay. Got back in the spot. Little breeze is blowing right now, which is really nice. Feels good. I'm gonna come right here actually. Take the frog out. Put it right over here. Through all these lilies. I'm just gonna try to launch it into that puddle over there. Perfect. Just gonna try to bring it through all of the lilies in front of me. It's right now wrapped on a lily. It's gonna be wrapped on a couple of them. Just a quick little snaps. Normally get it off. Just running it through all the lilies. Just push it through. Nothing. Gonna throw it right at this point in front of me. Right here. Hopefully there's something in my points, because points hold fish. Don't know why. Don't know the reasoning. I can make an assumption though, I guess. It's that it sticks out. Fish cross it a lot. It's an easy ambush site because they can't see around the corner. One more cast in here. Let's go. through this just so I try not to spook anything that is in the area. Just heard one jump. Can't pinpoint where though. It's very close. Did one just jump behind me? No. Okay, I thought one just jumped behind me. Okay, it's floating in here. Up. Huh? Any luck? Just reeling it back in. Okay. Frog. Bam. Way out there. That's a bass, boys. On the topwater frog. Antsy little one, eh? Let's go. It's a nice one. Little guy. Nothing compared to what I caught yesterday, but not the target species, but we always take a bass on a topwater frog. That is the first blow up of the day. I know you guys probably can't see him very well right now. Let me just unhook him. Come on. You got this. Hook out of your mouth. What is it stuck on? Okay, there. I know I'm trying. There we go. Nice little guy. Very small for topwater frog bite. But we always take a small bass over nothing. So, yeah, probably half a pound maybe, if we're lucky. But we're gonna release him back into the water. Off on the side of the boat. With that one. Well, that's the first bite of the day. We take that. Really wish I was a snakehead though. Definitely seen more snakehead here in the time we've been here than every single time we were at the other place.
I have seen a few snakehead in quite a few, but nothing specific.
Huh?
Not ready?
Oh, yeah? Let's just go back to where we came.
It was funny. I felt something hit the totem. I thought, shit, what did I hit? Stupid fish,
Got something. Probably a bass. Feels like a bass. Oh, it's a big boy. I need to get my net. Hold up, let me lower my drag. What's going on your boat? Oh my god. Watch out, watch out, watch out. You're good. Tension. Oh my god, guys, we're hooked up. Up in net. Just keep fighting it. It's a nice bass. That's probably a 2-pounder. Oh, come on. Landing a fish on a kayak is the worst thing ever. He's a good hook though. Oh, yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a good bass. Let me get my phone out.